We got some new deals just dropped at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. This is the clearance section. Usually you look for this at the back of the store. There's a whole bunch of tools on clearance because they're redoing their whole tool section. You got a cutout tool. You got a 5-tool combo kit for 25% off after the $149, so even more. Drill driver, impact driver, a radio oscillating tool, light. 111 was 139. Do apologize for my voice. Not feeling well today. Hopefully I'll feel well tomorrow. Alright, so 161 down from 179. It is a scale circular saw. This is corded. Got an impact wrench. 7.5 450 foot-pounds. This is $51 down from $129. Got some metal clearances. Impact wrench 74 down from 149. And then you got a circular saw and cutout tool. Got the Craftsman $20 for the foam cannon, Chameleon 2.0. 25% from 148. Then you got some more deals over here. Pretty much the whole wall is filled with tools, mostly Bosch. So you got a 2-tool combo kit, 128, 50% or 25% off after that. So 128 and the 25%. A brushless oscillating tool, 68 and 25%, and then 119 was 159. That is a jigsaw. Alright, so that's another one. And then they got this DeWalt. Does not have a price in it. I'm pretty sure they're going to drop this price. It is 170 as of now, but they will drop the price. Nobody's going to get that. You got some safety glasses or goggles. $8, 37 cents, down from $16.98. Got a light, excellent light here. It's a floodlight, $63. Really nice light. Rear handle circular saw with the power stack or the lithium stack batteries, whatever they call them. $319 down from $399. Pretty good deal. And then they got a brand new light. 63 was $79.98. Pretty dang good deal on this one. The batteries are on clearance. I'm not going to go over all of them because there's a few of them there. $10 for this one, $5 for the one next to it. Then we got the tool section. You got the Husqvarna 20-inch chainsaw. Then we got 18-inch chainsaw for $287, down from $359. Lots of good deals there. I don't know what they're trying to do. We just get rid of the gas, or I don't know what they're doing. 2-cycle balance, 104 down from 149. Got the Furman 4000 watt dual fuel inverter generator, $699 down from $1,000. Definitely check this one out. I know if you guys missed the generator deal, a lot of you got lucky. A lot of you got them because there was a lot of them left. I mean, a lot of them available. You got the attachment cutter, brush cutter attachment, was 71 down from 79. Husqvarna 2-cycle gas blower, 151. Got a mower here on clearance, 150 down from 300. Then you got another one there at the bottom, which I did not see a clearance price on it. 42 down from 49. Work stool, spider. That thing been on clearance for all year long, for like 2 years already. Still haven't seen a good deal on it. So 7, or a lower deal on it. 701 down from 779. It's a 52-inch, really nice Craftsman. Solid wood top. Self-closing drawers. Alright, so these are down to $269. They're from $299. And it's a 3-piece rolling. I don't know if they're getting rid of that or not, the flex. At least the boxes. You got the Craftsman totes. And you got the Versa stack for $169. which I rather just get something else like this. So yeah, definitely get this one. This one's $10 more. It is more, it feels more like a Pro box. So this is a K-Stack system from Cobalt. Alright, so new buy one get one free. You do have to buy the ones on the right there. It is the starter kit 4 amp hour starter kit, pole saw, and portable saw or chainsaw. You get any of these tools for free. So oscillating tool, circular. So these are all brushless tools, keeping that in mind, including that radio. So pretty good, dang good deals on these. $149. We'll get you the pole saw kit, and plus you're getting the free tool. Those are all the tools that you have to buy: the pruning saw, the pole saw, and the starter kit. Depending on what you need, it is available for $149 with the free tool. Then good deals on those, including impact wrenches, oscillating tools, circular saws. Alright, so you got some more DeWalt deals here. 3 tool combo kits. These are all power detect tools. Top of the line power detect tools with a couple 5s. Stacked lithium. Or power stacks. See, I get confused with all these brands, name brands. Power stack, stack lithium, whatever they call them. Pouch stack or whatever. Alright, so you got an 8 amp hour battery, $159. Max XR 3-speed impact driver, $99. Yes, one of the newer ones. Not necessarily the most powerful, but yeah, it is one of the newer ones, and it's their flagship model. That's what they say, at least. This is the 8 amp hour battery. Definitely recommend that battery. It's a pretty good deal. Alright, so this is a pretty good deal for the DIY. $129. Get you a free tool, so definitely check that one out. There's a whole bunch of tools to choose from. $149 is a pretty good deal too. You are getting only one battery, but this is a better deal. You get 2 batteries, or pole saw kit, or pruning saw kit. Any of those will get you a free tool. That deal runs to, looks like October 18th. You got triple hammers. Is new. I don't know exactly if this is a new tool, or a new packaging, but it looks fairly new, like the box itself. All right, so you got a starter kit. You buy a starter kit for $279, you get a free tool. There's a lot of good deals, guys. You guys can get that light, the rocket light style. If you guys miss getting that one from Milwaukee, then there you go. You got one for the yellow. A 7¼ circular saw blade, $7. Not bad at all. Alright, buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the kits on the left, get a free battery. Keep in mind, not all these tools are brushless, except for that $179 kit. That is brushless tools. The rest are brushed. Alright, so you got a 24 gun safe. I'm not supposed to be saying that word. $849. And then you got, you don't want to get demonetized or take this video down. A 24 toy safe, $6.99. And then you got 48 toy safe for $10.49, down from $12.49. Guys, these are the brand new boxes from Klein. Guys, there's a whole bunch of accessories that they got. I really love what they're doing. They're doing something different than all the other brands. And check this out. They got the mod box Klein tools. This is the tool bag. It clips right on top. Very compatible with it. So you guys do see. They got the backpack. Really, really good pro level grade here. $119. These are Klein tools. Lots of pockets on the inside and the outside sides. Really comfortable to wear. It does have some padding there in case you guys are putting heavy and harder stuff. Alright, so let's move on to the accessories here. They got a side bend rail attachment, $14. And they got a magnetic attachment. That was $29. And then they got this this looks like a rail accessory kit internal. $9. See, some of these prices are pretty good. They got a side a rail here, pretty dang good deal. And then they got this for the extension cords. So kind of like what Flex did, but a little bit. I think this is much better. And then they got this cup holder to hold your Milwaukee pack out tote or tumbler. So there you go. And $319. Really love these boxes. Really love the color. I just can't say enough good things about these. That's the rail system that they got already built in. You don't have to do any screwing or anything. They're already built in. Tall items, removable handle, and one-handed release, basically. Guys, that's it for today. I'm not feeling as well. I'm just going to cut this video right now. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care for watching.